Bam, welcome to Blocking the Court Process 101. Now I'm going to do a screen share. We addressed the why. Why were they able to do this shit to me? Why? This is why I tell you people, I don't need to hear all of this crap that you think you need to tell me or whatever. I don't need to hear none of that 99.5% of the times. I don't. The why. Why they're able to do that to you, not the what. We already know what. You go in arguing the what, you haven't addressed the why. Okay, so here we go. This is Officer Sean Delbert, Officer 2, so I'm thinking he's a trainer because the young man, Officer Palin, was a very nice young man. And I could tell that Officer Palin didn't agree with how things were going. Officer Palin watched the video, and Officer Palin watched the dude chest butt me. And then when I pushed the dude off of me, the dude just started swinging. And Officer Palin watched that. But the other Officer Delbert didn't. Sean Delbert, I don't know. He did not see that because he was over there busy with me trying to take pictures of my elbows and stuff because he needed to get those pictures because he was sure what went down there already. Yeah, and another thing that officer was pissing him off was I wasn't, so dude was sitting over there, oh yeah, I was so scared. He was, I was so frightened. I'm like, dude, you said you're going to chop my throat off, okay? Are you kidding me? I refuse to play into that bullshit, so I didn't have nothing to say. I don't think it's a good idea to talk to the cops at all, anytime, anywhere in the story. No more than what you have to say to keep them from arresting you for obstructing justice or interfering with the police. Yeah, I was like, so are you interfering with me collecting evidence? No, officer. I am not interfering with you doing your job or collecting evidence. That's not my intent at all. I covered up my sore. I said, you can take all the pictures you want. Yeah, so he got an attitude. But the officer don't understand. The officer don't understand that the state's day-to-day procedures allow him to violate my due process. Everybody's due process and a lot of other stuff. But I just like to keep it simple because that avoids the arguing. And I told the officer, officer, I'm a legal professional. I know. And he said to me, apparently you're not a very good legal professional. Okay, so I'm not mad at the dude. Dude sitting over there chill. Ain't none of us like yelling or nothing. We're both ready to get the hell out of here and go home. I'm embarrassed that the whole shit happened all like that, okay? Okay. But the officer's over here all grumpy and pissed off. I don't know why. There was nobody injured because I wouldn't let him take the pictures because he's sure he had my ass. I don't know. I don't know why he was acting like that. Maybe, I'm just going to throw this out there because we going here anyway. I don't think his ass understands the situation. Maybe his actions were a continuation of what happened a bunch of years ago that forced me to learn the right. What am I talking about? My story. It's on my YouTube channel. You can go to my YouTube channel and check out my story. How the city of Lawrence, the same police department attacked my family. And then when we beat their ass down, they called in the feds, and the worst thing we ever could have done was took federal attorneys, and then, you know how it all went through. 33 months, I got hauled off for mental evaluations all over the place while they attacked my wife and hauled her off to federal camp for 5 years. Yeah. No, Officer Delbert, I don't think you understand at all. And I think I'm a pretty damn good legal professional. So maybe when I get done whopping your face here, you will feel the same way. I don't know. But I don't really care because I'm going to break this down and I'm going to show everybody all over the place what this crap is about and how y'all can bust it up yourself without even buying my damn documents if you guys know what the hell you're doing or got to have a brain or can figure out that you don't really need to have all of the stuff in there, whatever. When you bring the right facts to the table, shit's it's a wrap. Okay, it's a wrap. When you bring the right facts to the table, it's a wrap because the facts outweigh the case law crap, the statute. So we about to talk about the facts. The facts are number one. This is the citation. I probably should have put this on the other side, but it was quite complicated to get this. If anybody knows who does this. Okay, but let's just roll. Okay, the citation. What the hell is a citation? Is a citation the same as a summons? It says right here, the date and time indicated on this summons. So why did you say summons down here besides stinkintation up here? Oh, wait, right here. There's a period right after court or right after municipal. You're right to have a trial in municipal, and there's a period right after that. That period means that's the end of the sentence. I mean, I don't know. I suck at grammar. Anybody that bought my shit knows that, that I suck at grammar. Okay, but no, I'm not this stupid. Oh, so there's a period there, so you're entitled to a trial in municipal. Well, period. They take the period. Oh, wait, why is that? Because municipal court is fake as hell, and I don't really have time to get into the fakeness, the fakenality of municipal court, but we'll get to that because y'all know that that's on the list. It's going to be put right in here because I'm going to show you how to break it down from the gate, and we ain't going to have to go much further than that. So let's just move on. Here again. Appear in municipal court on a court date and time indicated on the front of this summons. Summons. It doesn't say summons up here anywhere. It says citation. I wonder why. Maybe we'll get to that, right? Oh. Now, this is the back part of the ticket that has the payment stuff on it and shit. And I thought that's where we start. Because the word summons jumps out on here in a couple of different places. And that word summons is very, 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 very important. So let's just go down. Okay, this is the barcode that they use to, and this is my professional opinion based off of what the hell I know. I'm not an attorney, so I don't know shit, but I do have a damn professional opinion that I'm about to sue their ass for making it. Okay. So this barcode addresses this all cap person's, bank account or CSQ trust, whatever, something. And so that, and then the citation number. Oh, the summons number? I'm getting this mixed up. Is this a summons or a citation? If I'm confused, then this is a violation of my due process, especially when they arrest me already. When nobody gets arrested for not signing this stupid shit. Oh, wait, so let me explain to you why I didn't sign it. This is the court date that they gave me. Oh, right here is my driver's license information. Oh, and all of that, they got that out of my wallet after they had control of my stuff and I was handcuffed and sitting over there, whatever. I don't know. Maybe they looked it up on the internet or something, but that's not, this shit here was not on the identification that I gave the officer to use when he asked for my identification. I don't know if he even did. I need to check the video. I don't even think he did. Anyway. So it says right here that I did unlawfully commit the following offenses. in violation of the ordinance of the city of Kansas. Oh, wait, ordinance? I haven't even taken the time to look at it. I know a statute is not a valid law, and so it's crap, and so a code's underneath the statute. So I'm thinking an ordinance is underneath the code. Oh, it's starting to stink. We're getting pretty far down in the toilet. Yeah, but we're going to call it what it is. And we're going to call it what it is. So I got charged for battery because the dude hit me first and I wrestled him down to the ground. I never punched him one time. And I could have beat his ass. And criminal trespass. I mean, I wasn't trying to hurt the dude. Okay, criminal trespass. I was there to provide my contact information for him to provide to his attorneys when I sue his ass in the next few weeks for his lease because we're done breathing his cigarette smoke. And so I done a little research. I got charged. Oh yeah, assault. One can be charged with assault and battery if you're forced to smell their cigarette smoke after blah blah blah. You do these things, and we have done those things, and so he should have been charged with assault also, since I was already smelling his cigarette smoke in my short-term rental. And I'm smelling it while I'm in there cleaning, and sometimes my wife makes me clean it, okay? Sometimes I have to go in there and install stuff, fix stuff. It don't matter. Yeah. And, and she found the information about that, sent it over to me. And so, but it's not going to be about their what. It's going to be about their why. And why they're able to do it? They're in municipal court. Oh, this is so bad. Municipal court is a fake-ass court. It's fake, and that's why it's down the street. It's not connected to the state court. And I've had a few people tell me that they admitted that. Not everybody does. Not all the states admit that they know that municipal court's a fake court. Now, how fake is municipal court? Dude, pull up your court clerk's manual for your state and look right in there, and it'll tell you exactly a municipal court don't have jurisdiction and do squatty dit. Mm-hmm. They don't have judicial authority to do. Oh wait, where does the court get judicial authority? Okay, that's not the question. It's close. The question is, where the hell does municipal court get its judicial authority? Just scroll down in the court clerk's manual, and you'll see that municipal court gets its judicial authority from the freaking city ordinance. Oh, yeah, I learned that shit a long time ago when I was busting these people's chops for the $10 seatbelt tickets. I was using that to learn how to do this without being handcuffed. That was a hard way to learn, being handcuffed and shackled and dragged around like a damn animal. Dragged around like a damn animal. Oh, yeah. And we're going to start that again? I don't think so. And here's the Lawrence attorney, whatever. No, I actually have the email address to the city attorney and the players that were. So anyway. Oh, right here. The officer. Okay, now we're getting to the hot stuff. The officer signed on behalf of me. He signed for me. He signed booked. Oh, I think that's all I need to show that I was violated. I don't need to show the picture of them hauling me off in handcuffs or the picture of me with my hands handcuffed behind my back, barely fitting in the seat with my back already hurting and my knees already bleeding all over everything and my elbows. And I'm getting hauled to jail for holding dude down. So the officer signs for me. And, oh, look, the officer signed here. The officer signed here. And see, this is the problem. This is the why. The why. The why is the city's rules and policies are structured to violate everybody 24/7. The officer signed here. Is this a citation or is this a summons? It says citation up here, but it says summons over here. And then they told me down here that if my ass don't show up, they're going to, ow, I think it's a summons. So why is that important? So who's supposed to sign a summons? Not an officer that works in the executive branch of the government. I'm pretty sure not. A summons is a court document, an order from the court, and it should be signed by a judicial officer of the court, not the officer of the executive. Oh, yeah. Guys, they have so many ways to cut the corners and shit to hurry this shit up because they're screwing so many people that just give up or don't know what to do. So, So, has anybody figured out where the hell I'm going with this? Who is supposed to sign? The prosecutor? The judge? Both? Okay, so when a police officer signs on behalf of a judge or judicial officer of the court, it's a violation of the separation clause in the Constitution. It's simple. They ain't supposed to do that shit because it allows fraud. It allows them to arrest people without an injured party or damaged property. There we go. I'm not a U.S. citizen, and my passport reflects that. These fools know. They have all my paperwork in the court, And even if they don't know, if you know, you don't know. You got to know. If you know, you don't know. You should have known. There you go. There, I just made up another word. So there you go. I'm just breaking that down right there. If you got a citation, there you go. Learn how to pick it and stick it. I kept it clean. I'm on the borderline. Oh, pick it and stick it. That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to file something first thing on Monday to address this situation in the municipal court. So the municipal court can't be, operating any further. I know I don't have to file until 25th, but I don't believe in all of that, waiting around. I like to step up. That's how I roll around her. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to lead in with. I like smacking them in the face with that demand for sanctions. I think I'm going to come in with lower than 3.5. I just need a new truck. So new truck and a year gas card. Yeah, there you go. Anyway, so we're going to continue. This video is going to be in my arrest playlist. I'll also probably put it in traffic ticket. So you guys can see how to chop this up. So thank you for the value of sharing your time. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bam. Oh yeah, you guys this is my boss office. Yeah, I got a boss. Yeah, he got a badass office. Okay. Hit the stop share button. Now I can see the office better. Yeah, I want to do my stream from that chair behind me over there, but I have to move everything, and it was not working out. And I ain't trying to piss off nobody with this office. So, anyway, thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.